Hi, so you're interested in the Master Mushroom class. Excellent. What we're really all about is to help you along when you're wanting to make that weighty decision whether you should eat this mushroom or not. Some mushrooms are medicinal, some mushrooms are poisonous, some mushrooms are really good edible mushrooms. But interestingly, they all sometimes come to an area where they blend into one, where you've got some poisonous edible ones and you've got some edible poisonous ones, and they're all medicinal. And that has an effect too. So we talk about this kind of stuff. We're going to go through all the types of mushrooms, whether they're cup fungi or the pored mushrooms, the boletes or polypores. We're going to look at puffballs and what you need to know when you're looking at identifying these guys and the tooth fungi, and then of course get into all of the guild mushrooms, and that's a huge, huge topic of with white spored, brown spored, pink spored, black spored, all of the above. So we're going to try and sort all of those out, so when you come up into the next mushroom season, that you've got a general understanding of what you're looking for, and uh, and an understanding of some of the terms and some of the resources that are available. We're also going to have a bonus day, which is August 14th, where we're going to meet in the Devon area and go on a mushroom foray and look at these mushrooms live and answer some questions and try and figure out what we've got. And so if you can take advantage of that, great. Hope to see you in the class. Thanks.